To set different vibration for messages from certain chat on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. And then tap the required chat you like to change its vibration. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select view contact. Tap custom notification. If custom notification of the selected chat is still disabled, check the box next to use custom notification to enable this option. Under message notification section, tap vibrate and then select the desired vibration duration you like to use. As the example, we will select long. Tap the back button. Now vibration duration for message notification of the selected chat has been set to long. By doing this, now your phone will play vibrate in a long duration when you receive new messages from the selected chat. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.